Lexazo 2-liter plastic garden pump pressure sprayer, lawn pesticide sprinkler, water mister, spray bottle for herbicides, pesticide, fertilizers, plant flowers. This is ideal for indoor gardening as well as other uses. This can be used to spray, mist water, fertilizer on the plants, seeds and more. Portable and multi-purpose pressure sprayer. This hand sprayer can be used for cleaning cars, sanitizer, irrigation plants, pet bathing, home cleaning. Tips: this lawn sprayer is not suitable for corrosive or acidic solutions. Arthritis-friendly easy grip handle, efficient pump and trigger lock make continuous spraying less straining. Spray plants and more. Plants need fertilizer, pesticides, insecticides and even neem oil, and of course water. It is fine misting, easy to use, durable. Multi-purpose misting, gardening, automotives, pest control. You need a precise hand sprayer. Adjustable brass nozzle. The high-quality brass nozzle can adjust the intensity of the water spray from direct injection to fine mist spray. Package included: 1 PC garden water sprayer, color, random color will be shipped. Material: ABS plastic. Get this plastic garden pump pressure sprayer at a lower price ever. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.